Hi, good day. I hope you have not been getting bored of my articles. Here I have come up with an important one which is based on a hydrogel, is a biphasic material, a mixture of porous, permeable solids and at least 10% by weight or volume of interstitial fluid composed completely or mainly by water. So let's start. New hydrogel material can extract unlimited amounts of water from the air. Researchers at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology have developed a superabsorbent hydrogel material. It is capable of absorbing moisture and extracting water from the air. This groundbreaking material could be a game changer, particularly in desert and drought-prone regions. Here are some benefits of this innovative technology. Water extraction in arid regions, by definition, receive little precipitation, less than 10 inches, 25 centimeters, of rain per year. Semi-arid regions receive 10 to 20 inches, 25 to 50 centimeters, of rain per year. The hydrogel material offers a promising solution to water scarcity in arid and desert regions where traditional water sources are limited. By extracting water from the air, it provides a sustainable and potentially unlimited source of water for these areas. Drought Resilience focuses on preparing communities for future droughts by giving them the means to endure, withstand, and recover from these events. Strategies to conserve water, access new water sources, and manage drought on a watershed level can help communities become more resilient. The hydrogel material can help communities and ecosystems become more resilient to drought conditions. It offers a way to supplement existing water supplies during periods of low rainfall or drought, reducing dependence on rainfall-dependent water sources. Independence from traditional water sources. The technology reduces the reliance on conventional water sources such as rivers, lakes, and groundwater. This independence is particularly valuable in regions where water sources are scarce or contaminated, offering an alternative means of obtaining clean water. Environmental sustainability. The hydrogel material's ability to extract water from the air is a sustainable approach to water resource management. It does not deplete existing water sources, and it has a lower environmental impact compared to methods like desalination or groundwater extraction. Versatility. The hydrogel material can be used in various settings, including agricultural, residential, and industrial applications. It can provide water for irrigation, drinking water, or industrial processes, making it a versatile solution for multiple sectors. Cost-effective. Extracting water from the air using the hydrogel material could potentially be a cost-effective method, especially in areas where alternative water sources are expensive or inaccessible. It may provide a more affordable and sustainable option for obtaining water, particularly in developing regions. Scalability. The technology has the potential to be scaled up for larger water extraction projects. By utilizing the hydrogel material on a larger scale, it could address the water needs of entire communities, cities, or even regions, contributing to improved water security. Climate change adaptation. As climate change leads to increased water stress in many parts of the world, this hydrogel material offers a valuable tool for adapting to changing conditions. It can help mitigate the impact of water scarcity and support communities in becoming more resilient to climate-related challenges. Reduced water waste. The hydrogel material's efficient water extraction process helps minimize water waste. It captures moisture from the air that would otherwise evaporate or be lost, allowing for more efficient utilization of available water resources. Potential for humanitarian aid. The hydrogel technology has the potential to provide critical assistance in humanitarian crises, such as natural disasters or refugee camps, where access to clean water is limited. Its portable nature and ability to extract water from the air make it a potentially valuable tool for emergency water supply. Water recovery from humidity. In humid regions, where high levels of atmospheric moisture are present, the hydrogel material can efficiently extract water from the air. This capability can be beneficial in areas with high humidity but limited access to safe drinking water, opening up new possibilities for water recovery and distribution. Conservation of natural ecosystems. The hydrogel material can play a role in conserving fragile ecosystems that are vulnerable to water scarcity. By supplying water to these ecosystems, it helps maintain biodiversity, supports the survival of plant and animal species, and preserves the ecological balance. It is important to note that while the technology shows great promise, further research, development, and practical implementation are needed to fully assess its effectiveness and address any potential challenges. As ongoing research continued to refine the hydrogel technology, its benefits and potential applications are likely to expand, contributing to improved water security and resilience worldwide. I hope this article would help you to understand the futuristic needs with the course of life and to fulfill them as well with a deep research in every dimension of human needs. Here is a glossary to understand the meaning of some words and terminology. Biphasic. Having two phases. The patient's biphasic recovery curve. Porous. A rock or other material, having minute spaces or holes through which liquid or air may pass. Layers of porous limestones. Permeable solids. Permeable surfaces, also known as porous or pervious surfaces, allow water to percolate into the soil to filter out pollutants and recharge the water table. Interstitial fluid. Fluid found in the spaces around cells. It comes from substances that leak out of blood capillaries, the smallest type of blood vessel. It helps bring oxygen and nutrients to cells and to remove waste products from them. Ecosystems. A biological community of interacting organisms and their physical environment. The marine ecosystem of the Northern Gulf had suffered irreparable damage. Resilient. Of a person or animal, able to withstand or recover quickly from difficult conditions. Babies are generally far more resilient than new parents realize. Deplete. Use up the supply or resources of. Reservoirs have been depleted by years of drought. A colorless, transparent, odorless liquid that forms the seas, lakes, rivers, and rain and is the basis of the fluids of living organisms. Water scarcity. The amount of water that can be physically accessed varies as supply and demand changes. Water scarcity intensifies as demand increases and/or as water supply is affected by decreasing quantity or quality. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share and comments. Stay connected for more updates.